One of my students surprised me with this question on one of our live Zoom calls. What's the strategy when you finish the flip and you turn out past the inspection? And not scare the buyer away.
My agents know that we always expect something, right? And a lot of times if a buyer comes in and they know that they're buying a flip, they may be skeptical or they may expect things to be perfect. They come in with like a negative expectation from the beginning, and anything on the inspection report that confirms their negative expectation, they're like, yeah, see, I told you so. I'm never messing with a flip again. And then on the other hand, like if everything is brand new and nobody has warned them about flippers, a lot of times they're like, well, this is brand new, so everything has to be good, right? And so we get these weird perspectives. I always make sure that the agent that's listing the property understands that if something comes up, to like respond as if it's not a big deal, because I don't want them communicating any like worry or surprise, because ultimately at the end of the day, if I'm trying to sell a property, I'm going to figure out a way to get stuff done, right? Like if it's just little things and the contractor is supposed to go back and fix it. But if it's something that the contractor didn't know about it, nobody's touched, and it's a big deal, it's fair for me to go back and fix it.